So to do this, we're going to go to Media, drag in just a black image, drag it down into our timeline, go to Text, add default text, and we are going to drag this out so that it's about as long as our images. Now we're going to make this the colour that we choose, sort of blue. Say whatever we want. Of course, in the films it's a long time ago, etc, etc, but I'm just going to say hello. We can change the font and the font size if we want to. And that's how you do that bit. So to get the word Star Wars to appear and move away from the camera, we're going to go and add another default text. We're going to change the colour to that nice yellowy orange, about that. And make the font size nice and big. I'm going to change the font to, I'm not even going to try and pronounce this. Why they named it that, I don't know. And make the font size just big enough so that it fills up the whole screen. Right click on the timeline and press Create Compound Clip. Now we're going to go up to Video and we're going to make sure we're at the beginning of our clip. Bring the scale right up and press the keyframe button. Now we're going to move to the end of our clip and bring the scale right down so that we can practically not see it. Now this should make it move away from the camera. So to make the actual title crawl, again we're going to add a default text. We're going to change the font as well as changing the colour. Now what we need to do is add 9 empty lines with just a space in them. Now we can write whatever we want. And then once we're done, we add 2 more lines with just spaces in them. Now we're going to go into Animation, scroll down to about the middle, and we're going to find Moving Road. Now this is far too fast, so we're going to slide this as far as we can to the right. Now that's just, it's still not brilliant, but we'll fix that in a minute. Now we're going to scrub to where one ends here, and we're going to press B to get the cut in tool. Cut it about there, press delete, and we have 1 paragraph. If you want more paragraphs, we're going to press A again to get the normal mouse. Right click on this, we're going to copy. On the timeline, we're going to paste and make sure this is just to the right of the other one. And now you can change this text. And you can do this as much as you want. But once you're done, we're going to do this. We're going to select all of our paragraphs, right click, and again create compound clip. Now this makes it just 1 clip, so we can slow it down as a clip. So at speed, we can bring it down. And that is how to create a Star Wars title crawl in CapCut. Now this is just one way to create an awesome Star Wars title crawl for absolutely free. If you want to learn another way, click on this video here to learn how to make it in iMovie.